at a time. So, first is, do not worry about tomorrow. So, hindi tayo mag-alala sa about tomorrow. According to Matthew 6 verse 34. Do not worry about tomorrow, Matthew 6 verse 34. Small things, big impact. So, brothers and sisters, small things, big impact. Una, a small spark can start a great fire. James 3 verse 5. 2. Mabubuting gawa, maibig, impact. Matthew 25 verse 31 to 40. 3. Gusto mo example ng small things na maibig, impact? Big difference. This is big difference. Is why I refuse to quit. Why I refuse to quit. So, why I refuse to quit, brothers and sisters? So, first is, I can do all this through Christ. According to Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. Number 2, purpose mo, pangarap mo. According to Proverbs 23 verse 18. So, ang purpose mo, kaibigan at mga kapatid, pangarap mo yan. So, kung ano ang purpose mo sa buhay, kailangan kasama ang Diyos sa mga plano mo. Hayaan mo ang Diyos na mag-guide sa iyo.